What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Cardano today. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, you guys, and let's get into it. All right, here we are, my friends, right at 82 cents, just below there. I can't remember what my call was. If it was a pullback to this area or a little bit higher, whatever. It's irrelevant. But what I do think is interesting is that from a low to a high, if we look at this on a 4-hour time frame, you literally tipped right off your golden ratio. From this relative low to this relative high, you tipped it specifically, perfectly. It's almost as if somebody with a lot of buying capital pressure, money, moolah, whatever you want to call it, they had their eyes on this target. Trading algorithms, exchanges, market manipulators, market makers, whatever. That is a pristine bounce right off the golden ratio. What you'd look for as far as identifying this as a low and not just a pit stop on the way to lower lows, to validate this as a low, you want to get above the 236, which in this case is at about 99.33 cents. Essentially, get back above $1, psychological area of resistance, get back up above there, and then you likely will continue to grow and carry on with this move overall. I want to be very clear. In case it's not clear already, I don't think that Cardano finding support on its golden ratio, finding support here at prior areas of resistance, right? Yesterday, we wicked down. We found support at prior areas of resistance. Today, we wicked lower. But if we close here or move higher, we're going to be finding support at prior areas of resistance. I don't think that, in culmination with bouncing off of the golden ratio, is a bad thing. It's just standard volatility, and it's a little bit outside of standard volatility, let's be honest. But it's volatility at its finest. You moved up, man. You moved up how much? 72% in a day, bro. That's phenomenal. And then from a high to a low here, nope, that's not what I thought it was. From a high to a low here, down 35% the next day. Crazy, crazy, crazy volatility. Yeah, I absolutely expect that we're moving higher. Absolutely. Once you get above $1, this low is validated. Until then, it is completely possible we go lower. Before we talk about going higher, and that's what I wanted to do, let's actually talk about the possibility of going lower. Nobody wants to, but let's do it because it's important to consider, right? If you just consider the upside, then when the downside comes, you're likely going to panic sell. You're not going to be prepared for it, right? At least if you're expecting or prepared for some kind of downside, you can act appropriately, which is buy. You want to buy the low. You don't want to sell the low. You want to buy the low. If we were to go lower, I would expect 67 cents to 63 cents to hold. If you went lower than that, I mean, I suppose 47 cents to 37 cents is on the line, but I don't think Cardano being announced in the United States Strategic Crypto Reserve is going to drop 50% on us, you guys. I would be surprised if it went any lower than 76 cents itself. That's the golden ratio there. United States Crypto Reserve, I mean, it's going to be beyond just the U.S. buying. It's going to be other nation states, other entities, financial institutions, and players with some big and deep pockets who are likely adding into this thing, right? It's funny, man. I actually got in an argument, not even an argument. I wouldn't even call it an argument. That would make it out to be something bigger than it was. But some guy was trying to tell me that coins like Cardano, XRP, and Ethereum are scam coins, and it's like, that's funny. I swear we just added them to the United States Crypto Reserve. I guess oil is a scam. I guess gold is a scam too. Silver, platinum, anything that we have a reserve on, I guess that's just a scam there. I don't know. Some people are just Bitcoin maximalists and they can't get over themselves and everything's a scam. But that's okay. You know, the days where you see a 70% pump, it's not for people like that. It's for you guys. It's for the Cardano people. It's for the people investing in the scams, apparently. I don't think this scam is going to go lower. I think this one's got more pumping to do before it rips people off. Just, all jokes aside, guys, Cardano's not a scam. It's a legit project. It's a good project. And it probably one of the greatest projects. Believe me, I know something about a great project. It's probably likely the best crypto project for the price. Unless China comes, and I'm not the best. I'm not. It's horrible. I should really stop trying that. But anyways, guys, from a high to a low on the fibs, going from your 886 all the way down to your 382, it's pretty common to do actually. You just found support just above the 382. You could go lower on that notion, 73.7 cents. But when it's time to go higher, you'll know it's time to go higher because you're above $1, right? When you get back above $1, it's time to go higher. What do I mean by that? I mean it's time to look onward to $1.71. $2.38, $4.44. Cardano, you guys, will likely be worth several dollars, if not something I'm thinking probably around $15 to $20 by the end of this cycle. We'll see. Time will tell. But it's got a lot of growth to go. And in the short term, by the end of March, if not by the end of April, something around, probably $2 to $3 is very much on the table. Maybe $4 at this rate. I mean, I don't know. You'll be breaking out to not new all-time highs, but something. Was it? Am I getting Cardano confused with another one? Maybe Cardano goes up more than $15. Let me see. Hold on. Maybe it was 30. It was 30. Okay, it was 15 to 30 is what I was thinking. Yes, for the end of the cycle. But by the end of April, I'm going to extend the target a little bit. I think you could be as high as prices that are just above $6 by the end of April. Likely by the end of April, by the end of March, somewhere in that time frame, at least I think you would be around your current all-time highs, if not higher. If you're higher than $3, you will be anywhere from, I think, something around $4 to $6 in that range. Okay. It all starts here. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but if you're looking to buy Cardano, this is a hell of a time to do it. You're on a nice discount today, down 24% from yesterday, down 4% today as a total from the high to this current price. You're down overall about 30%. It's a great price to buy. At prior areas of resistance that you might be finding support on, it's a great price to buy. Don't let the volatility get in your way of making a good decision, right? Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but I think it is a good decision here. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour bouncing off the oversold zone, getting overbought but not getting oversold is a bullish thing. Double bottom there, beautiful, love to see it. 4 hour time frame here, getting overbought, coming back down below the 50, breaking out of your downtrend. You look very dominant. Yeah, I don't think Cardano is anything to worry about. Is this a bull flag? Is this a whatever? I don't know, man. It's just a little bit of volatility. Up, down, up again. That's what the name of the game is. I got nothing else for you. If you're looking for a short-term target where I think you'll be maybe by the end of this week, I would say something around $1.32 to $1.53. And maybe even beyond that. But that's all I got. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Cardano is in good shape. Don't be afraid at all, guys. It's even if it goes lower than anything I'm talking about here, inevitably Cardano is going to see new all-time highs and likely by the end of this cycle. So that's it. Bye bye.